Hey, so today we are going to be reviewing this hat hanging system. This came with two of these, and right now we're in front of my old way of hanging my hats, and it worked, but I also got sick of them randomly just falling off the wall. And yeah, I could screw all these in, but that would just take too much time, especially when I found something that is a lot easier to use. So first thing you have to do is find out where you want them, and let's see. You get that in the spot, and we're going to start hanging these up. We have a level. Let's get that centered where we want it. Put the lever on it, and when you get that where you want it, go ahead and mark this hole. And then we'll do the same thing with the next one. Knock that in. All right, that's in there. And now we can start screwing these in. So let's go ahead and pop that in there. All right, got that one in just to get it started. This one. Oh yeah. And that is not going anywhere. Nice snug fit, and it looks like the bottom one can tighten a little bit more. And yes, that is why I love these. They are really good for getting a nice snug fit. And now you have to fold your hat, and start with the bottom one first. It takes some getting used to, but your hat just sits on there like that. All right, so I've started hanging hats. I will say it's not as easy as just opening your hat and hanging it on here. Definitely takes some thinking and some getting used to hang your hats, but once it's on there, it is not going to fall out, because as you can see, this little knot at the top gets into this part, and that's what keeps it from sliding out. So you do have to put a little effort to get it out, which I kind of like, so I'm not complaining about that. But yeah, it's definitely not as easy as before. And maybe you should start from the bottom. Yeah, you should start from the bottom and work your way up. That makes it a little bit easier versus trying to come from the top. So this is what the finished product looks like. Compared to how much space that took up, I like this a lot better. So when I do need a hat, like let's say I wanted to wear this hat, I'll just come over here and push that down, take it off, and then you're done. If you want to hang it back up, you have to come over here, lift this up. And this is where it gets a little tricky, but I mean, for the amount of space you're saving, and I mean, that's kind of aesthetically pleasing too. Like, just everything is so perfect now. Like, all the hats hang. So I am going to get a second one, and I'm going to put it right here, and then I'll have my hats maybe color coordinated, and yeah, that'll make it a lot easier, and I may space it out a little bit. But yeah, this is a great product if you're looking for an aesthetically pleasing and more efficient way to hang your hats. All right. Thank you for watching. You have a blessed day.